a family happy, then it's very difficult. This was first said by King of Bhutan. No Western countries, no developed countries thought about it. They only thought money, 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 money. Money doesn't give us happiness, let me tell you. It is only being a good human being, being a good family man can give you happiness. So these are the things you have to go and reach the people and tell them. If you tell the value is 10x, if I tell it is just x, that is the standing. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮಾನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರಮ ವರ್ಗ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೈತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೀನ ದಲಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ, ವುಮನ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ Madam Director to make a special course in dealing with stress in a woman. That has to be done. If a woman is really healthy, then the family is healthy. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು for yourself you have done really a great job. So you have to do for the society. ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ. When I see the youngsters and their achievement, I was feeling very proud. I feel honored to be one among you and spend this quality time with you. You belong to this prestigious institution, and you are very few privileged or a lucky students to be part of Nimans. There are thousands and thousands waiting outside Nimans to come inside this gate to study the mental sciences. And you are the only lucky few or a privileged few, or you are the real deserving few who have come in this. And you have achieved this. So congratulations. Claps for the ಸರಿಯಾದ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಕೂಡ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ PC ಮೋಹನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ you can't hold a person or a group of people for more than 1 hour and make them concentrate on what you speak. It's the greatest challenge anta helta idde. Am I right? This is taught in your books. I have not read the books, but I know something. So therefore, to conclude, Nimans is a great thing, and there is a demand in Dharwad already. I want Nimans to spread its wings as well as their footprints. So, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಜಯದೇವ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಕಿಡ್ವಾಯಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ನಿಮಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಒಂದೇ ಟ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಹೌಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು 8-10 ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಯು, 100% ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಯು. I have declared the other day that we will have cardiac and center for treating cancers in all of my district hospitals, first regional hospital, then district hospital. I will add this today in my agenda during my budget, that I will have regional center for mental sciences. The second thing I was just mentioning to Dr. Sudhakar, that this repository of mental science knowledge should be there. See, for example, like heart, treating heart. Now every other lane in Bangalore has got a hospital to treat a heart disease. At one time, there was no bypass surgery in the country. We have to go to US and other countries. Now, every third lane there is a heart center. So, why can't there be such science which spreads along and let it be available for the common man, even in private sector? My leader Narendra Modi ji's vision is Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat. So, from Swachh Bharat to Swasth Bharat, that journey is already begun under his leadership, and he is very keen and particular about the spreading of knowledge to the common man. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸನ್ನು, ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನಿಮಾನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ should be also your goal. That will, because people are stressed in all walks of life, and they should not be more stressed by coming to Nimans. There is some truth in this. That's why I can hear those voices. Other day I talked to Madam, somebody wanted a ventilator or something. See, Nimans it is not only the question of Karnataka. Patients, as students, patients come from entire South India. Therefore, it is totally, all the ventilators were completely full. I know that. She was very genuine and very human also, that I wish I could have done, but I can't remove the ventilator. I can get a bed, but I can't remove a ventilator. That was she was expressing. Now, as a Chief Minister, I should learn a lesson from every such incident. Then only I will be a responsible Chief Minister. So, having said this, ನಾನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂತರ ನಿಮಾನ್ಸ್, ಕಿಡ್ವಾಯಿ, ಜಯದೇವ, all these prestigious institutions where people from different districts and remote villages come, want to decentralize them, disseminate the knowledge so that more doctors, more people treat them. That is the policy part of it. So here in Nimans, I have decided to donate 100 ventilators. First phase, 50 ventilators, where all the facilities will be done to all the 50 beds, including the staff and all other manpower. Once that is done, another 50 will be done. So you can do it in 1 month or 3 months or in 6 months. I don't want any person from far-flung remote places to come to Nimans, and ultimately, as our Honorable Health Minister said, he has to wait for radiations or some X-rays or something for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, when now X-ray technology has become so easy, so easily accessible. Why the hell it should be here? I can't understand. It is such a small thing, if we are not able to solve, what is it? What for all the system and governments are? Madam, you come out with the requisition for your X-rays. Let there be number of X-rays and let their people don't wait more than a day. Please do it. Please do it. When our health minister has observed this, it is our responsibility. And of course, it is funded by Government of India also, but these things, it is our responsibility to see that patient should not wait, this patient should not suffer, because he comes with an attender, he comes, there are so many issues are there. I don't want to elaborate this on occasion, but I have to say it's my duty as a Chief Minister. I have said a lot of good things, and I want this institution should come out with the flying colors in the future, decades to come and centuries to come. Our people who are founding fathers, they had a dream, they had a vision. When there was no really mental problem, they started this. Pre-independence era, Maharajas, a lot of other people have helped. Then after independence, it was really helped. So when such a thing is there, such an importance is there, the small things should not bring like a black spot in the whole thing. Therefore, it is my duty that we'll get you X-rays, we'll get you ventilators. Please see that nobody suffers for want of X-ray timing and ventilators. This is how my government reacts to a situation when a person comes from Shimoga or Sorba or a Sagar, and ultimately, of course, he has been brought in a very pathetic condition. I understand medically also. I don't want to blame